So today I'm going to show you how to make roasted beet risotto. And it starts out by making a pretty simple, easy risotto, and then you fold beets in at the end. So to begin, what you're going to want to do is take your Instant Pot and set it on sauté. Just to let it warm up a little bit. So once you feel it start to get a little hot, go ahead and add a little bit of oil. I like sunflower oil. And then go ahead and add in a little bit of garlic, or if you have garlic growing, or you can find it, the little garlic flowers. Chop those up and add that. It's a nice spring touch. And then some onion, just some diced up onions. If you don't like garlic, leave it out. So go ahead and get that sauteing a little bit. So once you've cooked the onions a little bit, go ahead and add a cup of rice, Arborio rice, risotto rice. Go ahead and brown that up a little bit too. So all you're really doing is looking to toast the rice a little bit. Once you feel like you've done that, go ahead and add a half a teaspoon of salt and a quart of vegetable stock. Stir that in. Press cancel because you're not sauteing anymore. Pressure cook. There you go. Make sure that the valve is in the sealing position, and then just let the Instant Pot do the rest of the work. Alright, so once the pressure cook, chopped roasted beets right to it. Go ahead and transfer it right to your serving dish. And then take a little parsley. There you have it, roasted beet risotto.